How many students was there? I have not seen it. অরুণিমা
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
কতজন ছিল রে?
স্যার 22-23 জন মতন ছিল।
ওকে। So anyway, up to which we have discussed, is this clear to all of you? আমি যতক্ষণ ডিসকাস বললাম সেই অবধি ক্লিয়ার আছে তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
So let's share the screen again. Okay, so here we were. Right. So what we have seen that this particular will get used, and then I will go to write once, and you see, you will now see the first B that is left in this B part, and unfortunately this is the last B basically. So that's why anyway, so this now this second B will be converted to Y, and what will happen in a similar way? After converting this B, I will go towards left once. This part already converted. Left go once, and I found what? I found that there is no A basically. So I'm directly jumping to Q. Right? Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir, no doubt.
Any doubt? Okay.
No,
So
sir,
basically
no,
I'm
sir.
done. I'm directly jumping to this Q0. That I have to do, because I found that I am in Q2 and I found an X. That means I'll go towards right fine and I'll go in Q0. So after going to Q0, what's happened? You are in Q0 where you found a Y, which is only possible if there is same number of X and same number of Y. And why I am saying this? The reason is that, you see, let's take a very simple example with say 3 cases. Say I have A, then B, B, B. So this A converted to X, these two remain same, these two A remain same, this B converted to Y. And suppose somehow, forget just a minute. Assume that there is one more A over here. Let's see. Take a wrong string. Okay, A, and B, B. Okay, B. 2 B's are there and 4 A's are there. So what will happen? Let's see. So the first A converted to X, fine. Then other 3 A remains same, and then this first be converted to Y, right? The second B remains same. Then what will happen? I'll come here. This second A now will be converted to X, and third and fourth A remains same. And we have already seen that it will easily skip this Y part, and it will change the second B to Y. And what will happen? I'll go to left again, and I'll find the third A that now will be converted to X, and I will keep remain this A as it is, and then I will go over here where I will not able to find out a single B, right? Because when you are in let's see, because when you are suppose you are in say you are in pointing here, What is the state you are belonging over here? After converting the first x, after converting the first a to x, you will go towards right and you will state in Q1. That means you are in Q1. You will be in Q1. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now what will happen? Q1A. Q1A means A will remain same and you will go towards right once. That means now due to right once, what will happen? Your Q1 will basically now point over here. Right? Because you have a self loop. Now see, you are in Q1 and you found a Y. You found a Y. What will you do? You will keep this Y as it is and you will go towards right. That means just your read head is changing. That means what will happen?
নেক্সট বি তে চলে যাবে ওটা
Now this Q1 will point to this second Y. Right? Because you have a self
y to left যাবেন স্যার
Y. No, if you are in Q1, if you get a Y, you will remain in, you will keep this Y as it is and you will go towards right. That we have seen.
Okay.
Why it will go to left? It will only go left when you will able to change a B to Y. Then only. Not before that. Right. But still I have not able to find out a B. I have got to first Y. That's why I have changed over here. And I found I will now encounter a second Y. So what will happen? In the same way, I will have a self loop again. So what will happen?
y to y
Now your Q1 is pointing somewhere over here. Because it's go to left, it go to right. And what is present over here? Something a blank symbol. Right? Am I clear? Because this is my string. After this last B, I have a blank symbol. Before the first B, I have a blank symbol. Not only, many blank symbols. All the symbols will be blank. And all the symbols before A will be blank. So you are basically having a blank. Now you will encounter a blank symbol. And you are in state Q1. Now see, in this diagram, it is know-how defined that if you are in Q1 and if you find a blank symbol, then what to do? It is not defined. Am I clear?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
So since it is
Yes,
not
sir.
defined, then what will happen? The machine will halt, as simple as that. And when the machine halts, you see you are not in a final state. You are in Q1, which is not a final state. That means when the machine will halt, machine will see that the state where the machine is currently belonging is not a final state. So that means this particular string is not definitely under the language. Because by definition it is said that after halting, if the symbol is really in, if the string is really in the language, then the state has to be in final state. Am I clear?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? So you see, the strategy of defining the transition functions is basically same as it is push down automata. In case of push down automata also, I have told you that when a problem will be given to you, that say someone has asked you to design a push down automata for say a to the power n, b to the power n. It is possible to design transition functions of push down automata also for the language a to the power n, b to the power n. In that case, what I told you, that always design the transition function considering you have a right input. Don't need to think about wrong, because since the transition functions only carry your head to for your only carry the read head for the exact right input, right combination. That's why for wrong combination there will be no transition functions defined. Automatically the machine will halt. The same thing over here also. When you will design the transition function for Turing machine, you don't need to think about wrong inputs. Always take a correct string and accordingly you think to design the transition functions. Automatically for the wrong inputs, somehow there will be a some there will be unavailability of some transition functions and machine will halt, and definitely you will see that it will be in a non-final state. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see, same thing over here. For example, if I forget about, if I take another situation, say like this, suppose instead of having 4A, suppose I have 2A and 2B and 4B, sorry. Okay, 2A and 4B. Say what to? You see what will happen? I have just started from this A. This A has been converted to X. Fine. The second A remain as it is. This second B, the first B has been converted to Y. And this B remain as it is. Sorry. This B remain as it is. This 3B. Because after converting the one B to Y, I will immediately change my direction to left. That we have seen. And then I will come back and detect the first A of the part of the A that is left. That means this particular A, basically the second A of this set in this example, which will be again converted to X. Fine. Then I'll go towards right again. I'll encounter a Y. Okay. I will skip this Y and I'll find next second B, which will be converted to second Y. Fine. Then I will just go back to again in this side. Right? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen? You, as soon as you have just started going back to left, you are in over here, Q2, basically, right? And what you will see? You will see that just a minute. This Y converted to X, fine. Yes, you see that it is an X. That means you are in Q0. Sorry, you see. That's why what will happen? You are in Q2 over here. After converting the second B to Y, you are in Q2, and you will immediately change your direction to left. What will happen? Just take this path. Where X will remain X, You have got a y. Sorry. Yes. A time will come. Yes. So a time will come when you will see this x. So what will happen? X will remain x and you will go towards right. That means, let's see. Let's use this. It gets confused. Basically, you are actually where? You are actually somewhere over here. This is the B, Y. Now, you will go left once. So, you will encounter this first Y. Then you will go left again. You will encounter this X now. So, what will happen? You will take this path. Right? What will happen? X is remain X and you will go towards the right. That means now you are pointing over here. When your state is Q0. Fine. You have got Q0 pointing to Y. Now Q0 pointing to Y means what? Mean I will go on right once. I've got a Y. You see, that's why this transition function will not execute. Q0, now next state will be Q3. Q0 is gone. And you see there is a self loop in Q3. Why? Because you are expecting that you have not get any X, you have not changed any A over here. That means all the B also should change. But here 2B is unchanged. That means if you go on checking this, a time will come where you will encounter a B and you are in state Q3. Right? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And you see there is no transition function written for this situation. If you are in Q3 and if you get a B, what will happen? It is not defined in this state diagram. Right? That's why machine will
Yes.
halt.
Hmm.
And you are in state Q3, which is not a final state. That means this particular string will not get accepted. But what will happen in the case of in the case of this A and B, these A converted to X, you have seen already. I think now the idea has to be much more clear right now for you. Anyway, so now this B will be converted to Y. Fine. This remains same. And I'll go back to this set. Suppose this is one set. Obviously this is one set. And this is another set. So I'll go back to this state. And what will happen? I will now convert the second A to X. And then I will go towards right. And what will happen now? I will skip the third A, the first Y obviously, and then I'll convert the second B basically to Y. Fine. And suddenly I will start going back again. Right? And then what will happen? I will detect the boundary up to which we have already converted. And then I will go towards right once due to this one. And then I will change this third A to X. And then what will happen? I will go towards right again. I will go on skipping these to Y and I will change this B to Y. Right? Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then what will happen? As soon as changing this third B to Y, I will go on I will change my direction to left again and enter a situation. I mean, as soon as I will just about to enter from the second state to this first state, I will get X. There is no way to get a A. That's why you see what will happen. A situation like you are in Q0, you are in Q2, you have got X, you have got to right. So you are in Q2 right now. When you are point, sorry. Let me make it
Q0.
much clear to you. When you are pointing over here, tell me which is the state number. What should be the state
Q0.
number?
Q0.
Sorry? No.
Q0.
Why Q0? Why Q0? No, no, it is not Q0. You see,
Q2 তখন
Yes.
পেলাম তো
you see, let's come back here again. Let's go back to this situation. I was about to convert this B to Y. Where I was, tell me. I'm about to convert this B to Y. Where I was.
Q1 ই ছিলাম।
Q1.
I was in Q1.
Q1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I was in Q1. I got a B. So I changed B to Y. I changed this B to Y. Change this B to Y. And I go towards left. Fine. Then my read head will now. Right now, this is in Q1. I am in Q1. Fine. Now, after changing this B to Y, and since I've said that I will go to left, and my new state will be Q2, that means now your new state is Q2,
Q2.
right?
Yes.
And if you are in Q2 and if you get Y, you will do the same thing. Just go left. So that means for this case also, you are in Q2. Right? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, again, same thing. You are in Q2 and if you can see this Y. So what you will do? You will keep this Y again and go left. So that means when you are in A pointing here, you are in Q2. You are not in Q0.
Q2. Q2.
Q2.
Now you will be in Q0 because you have seen a X. You have seen you are in Q2, and if you got a X, you will remain. You will keep the X same, but you will go towards right, and your new state will be Q0. So
Q0.
that means now this state will become basically Q0.
Q0.
Forget about this part, okay? Forget about this states because these are already finished. Forget about it. You are in Q0.
Yes, sir.
And what you see? You got a Y. So if you are in Q0 and you got a Y, what does it mean? It means that there was no way to, there was not a single A which you have converted to X. Because if you encountered Y after converting a to X, that's in that case, you must be in this Q1 state, not Q0 state. Because to get converter after converting a to X, at least one A to X, you will direct to this path. This one. So if at least if I assume there is a single A is left to convert, then also there is no way to remain in Q0 state. You will go in Q1 state. At least the state diagrams say that. Right?
Yes, sir.
So if you find that you encountered a Y without Q1 state in Q0 state, that means one thing I can say that there was no conversion any A to X.
Yes.
So what does that signify? That signify that all A has been converted.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So if I assume the string is correct, that means all B should be converted to Y also.
Yes.
So that has to be verified. If that means now, if you are in Q1, let me, erase this clumsy part. That means if you are in Q1, if you are in Q0, if you encountered a Y, that means now it's time to verify whether all the B has been converted to Y or not. If all the B has been converted to Y, that means surely number of A and number of B was same. That's why when no A is left, then no B is also left. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And that's why
Yes,
what I
yes,
have
yes.
done, you see, that what they have done, that they have converted, this diagram, what this state diagram has does, says from Q0, I'm going to Q3, new state, for keeping this wise as it is. Because it may happen that I have a single A and single B. This is also true, correct string. It is power 1, B to the power 1. That's why at least one conversion is required. At least one change of state. That's why from Q0 to Q3 happened. And now it depends. I don't know how many B's are there. That's why I have a self loop. Because now it is verifying whether all the other part is converted to Y or not. For example, over here, you are in Q0. Let's see, you are in Q0. What will happen? You will see a Y. You will see this Y. What will happen?
ওয়াইটা ওয়াই থেকে যাবে আর ওটা লেফটে চলে যাবে, রাইটে চলে
Yes,
যাবে।
not right. And you are pointing to Q0 again. No, sorry. Now Q3.
হুম
Right?
হুম
Right?
হ্যাঁ
Yes,
And
sir.
then you are in
আরেকবার
Q3
আবার
and if you
same
see
হবে।
Y, you will do nothing. You just verifying. So nothing to
হুম
do. Just changing your position of your read head to right. That's all. So
হুম
again, what will happen? Now your read head will point to right, and you are in Q3 again.
হুম
Again you see Y. Fine. Now you will read head will point to somewhere over here, and you are in Q3, right?
হুম
After converting from here to after working this part. So now where you are pointing?
So Q4, sir.
Pointing
সামথিং
to a
নাল, সামথিং
black
ব্ল্যাঙ্ক।
symbol, not
হুম
null. Null is different thing.
ব্ল্যাঙ্ক
Blank is
ব্ল্যাঙ্ক
different.
ব্ল্যাঙ্ক। হুম
It's a blank. So
So
your
that is Q4, no,
Q3 is
sir.
pointing. Sorry.
So that is Q4, no, sir, not Q3.
No.
Q3's transition function is a
Okay.
blank to blank.
Okay. Just a minute. Yes. Sorry. It's Q4. Q4. So if no, I'm sorry. It's not Q4. Why it's Q4? Sorry. No, you are wrong. Just
we
try
are
to
in
understand
Q3
this
and
part.
we are getting
You are in
blank.
Q3. You have got Y. You see, you are in Q3. You have got a Y. So you see, you are in Q3. You got a Y. You will remain Y as it is. And then you will change your direction to right. That means when you are pointing over here, you are in state Q3. because
sir,
you
yes.
have a self loop. And now, right now, you are pointing to B. This part is still
Blank.
left to check. Now you will see that it is a blank. That's why you are changing to direction. Because you have seen that it's blank, it mean, and you are in Q3, it means that you have actually skipped all the Y's. There was no existence of B. That means surely this string is under the language, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why it is given, you see. If you find a blank, it will remain blank, but remember one thing. We always end up at the last character of the actual string, not to a blank. I have encountered a blank, it means that I have checked all the this part, which was fine. That's why I will go towards left one, so that at the end I am ultimately my readhead points to the last character of the string. That's why you see I have a L. You are in Q4. So that means at the end of what will happen, if you are A, then another A, then B, you are converted to X, then Y, then this X, then this Y, and I have a B over here. So here your point, you are pointing, I mean your current state is Q3. So what will happen? You will have a left, left move, so that at the end, when you will in Q4 state, you point to the last character of the string, not the blank character, because blank doesn't have any existence in my original string. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So here your transition function is. So the whole working principle of a string, verifying a string is correct or not ends. I don't think this particular strategy, the Turing machine is not very easy. I hope now you can understand. Lot of different, very crucial observations are very important, right? But still, I think it's not very tough to, if you have a little bit practice, at least you can manage some mid or smaller problems. What do you think? Anyway, so do one thing. We are already running out of time. Lot of time we have spent. Do one thing. I'll share this particular slide to you. You just go through this and try to solve this problem by yourself on your copy. If you have any doubt, then just contact me personally in my mobile number. By the way, Arunima,
हाँ सर बोलो.
do one thing. Just copy the roll numbers of all the students and send
Okay
me.
sir. Okay sir.
All of you, please write your roll numbers. Don't write roll number more than once.